Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. If x squared plus h plus 1 equals 0, find the values of h power 2023 plus 1 divided by h and power 2023. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, to find the values of this equation, I have one trick that is spend a little minute. Okay, now to find this, we use this. Okay, solution. Now we have x squared plus h plus 1 equals 0. Okay, now this. If x squared plus h plus 1 equals 0, we get discriminant is equal 1 squared and minus 4 and multiply 1 and multiply 1. So that we get minus 3 is negative. So it's negative, we don't need to find the values of a. Okay, we don't need to find the values of a. But I can't find this. That's this. Okay, this trick. This will only multiply both sides of this equation with its minus 1. This we get this h squared plus h plus 1 equals 0. So now I multiply both sides of this equation with h minus 1. So this h minus 1 multiply h squared and plus h and plus 1 is equal to h minus 1 and multiply 0. And this we use the rule that we have a minus b and multiply a squared plus ab and plus b squared is equal a power 3 and minus b power 3. Okay, so this we get a power 3 minus 1 power 3 is equal this 0. And we get this h power 3 minus 1 equals 0. And we get h power 3 is equal 1. And so now we get the values of h power 3. But we don't need to find the values of 1. Because if we take is h equal 1, we get this 1 squared, we get 1, and plus 1 and plus 1 is not equal 0. It's not verify it. So this we don't find the values of it. But now this we get the values of h power 3 and equal 1. So now this h power 2023. Okay, we know that 2023 is equal 3 and multiply 674 and plus 1. Okay, so that then we get h and power 2023 is equal to h and power 3 and multiply 674 and plus 1. And this equal h power 3 and multiply 674 and multiply 8 and equal h power 3 or power 674 and multiply 8. This we use the rule that we have a power m or power n is equal a power m and multiply n. Okay, use the rule. And now this, you get this equal 1. So this 1 power 674 is equal 1. So this equal 1 and 1 multiply 8 is equal 8. Okay, now this its power 2023 is equal 8. So we get, okay, its power 2023 plus 1 divided by 8 and power 2023 is equal 8 and plus 1 divided by 8, because this equal 8 and this equal 8. So this we replace by 8. But we know that 8 squares plus 8 and plus 1 equals 0. And so this, I change 8 from the left hand side to the right hand side. And I get 8 squares plus 1 is equal minus 8. And now I divide both sides of this equation with 8. So this, I get 8 squares and plus 1 divided by 8 is equal to minus 8 and divided by 8. And so this, we get this 8 squares divided by 8 and plus 1 divided by 8 equal this minus 1. And this we get 8 and plus 1 divided by 8 is equals minus 1. So now we get the values of 8 plus 1 divided by 8. So it is the same. This we get to find the values of 8 power 2023 and plus 1 divided by 8 and power 2023. So there's 8 power 2023 plus 1 divided by 8 power 2023 is equal minus 1 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.